Yes, my beautiful people, new video out for you guys. This one is for you guys. Yeah, guys, so just stay tuned or watch this video, guys. You see me? Yes, Pablo Cooking TV. Yeah, man. Stay tuned. Oh. Yes, my people, welcome back to my Pablo Cooking TV, guys. As you can see, we have there. We're gonna bake that right now to get that to blend. You see me, guys? Got some scallion. You see me? Everything there, tomato, flavor pepper. So alright, this is the chicken, guys. So we're going to go and wash it up nicely. Put some lemon. I already put some vinegar inside. So you see me? Let it soak for a bit. Alright, guys, we're going to bake the onion and the garlic, everything. So we're going to mix everything with some pepper. See that the chicken down clean, everything. Got fully rice. So stay tuned, guys. Yeah, guys, we're going to make some jollof rice. So stay tuned for that one too, guys. You see me? Alright, guys, at this sauce, don't blend up. You see me? So we're marinating the chicken right now. Alright, so stay tuned, guys. Just wanna be with you. Guys, as you can see, we done marinated inside, so now we're gonna do the outside. Make sure everything is covered really nice. See me, guys? Stay tuned and watch. Look, guys, this chicken is going into the oven. You see me? We're gonna bake it. Stay tuned, guys. Bless up. So guys, so we're gonna make sure everywhere is marinated good. You see me? Now waste some time. Another time to put in the fridge for 2 hours and 3 hours. After that, straight into the oven. So stay tuned. Alright, guys, so we're gonna bless a little salt over it. The salt look too much, but it's not too much. Alright, guys, don't say that. Stay tuned, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, my beautiful people. Thank you very much. Yes, guys, this is it, guys. Look at that, guys. Beautiful baked chicken, and you don't bake it. You see me? Really marinated. So stay tuned, guys. Bam, I'm gonna prepare it. So now, guys, we're gonna set it off in a pan. It's ready to go near the oven to bake. The pipe is not gas; it is electric. So see me, guys. Bear with me. All right. Stay tuned, guys. Love. Look at that, my beautiful people. Yes, chicken down in the oven. The rice. So now, guys, we're gonna prepare now for the jollof rice. So just stay tuned, guys. Yes, people, you can see that the butter don't melt today, okay, guys. So now we're gonna add some onion, garlic, and some more tomato. Allow that to steam. Press a little bit. We're gonna smash it, and after we're gonna add again our blend sauce that I have made it just before. So just stay tuned with me, guys. Yes. Yes, guys, that's the rice I've washed before. I'll leave it with some water to soak a bit. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna add that later on. There you go. There we go, guys. We are gonna add some coconut oil. Guys, as you can see, it's freeze. We're in Paris, so it's cold, so you don't know. Normal. Alright? Blessed love, guys. Bear with me. We're gonna add some butter. So yes, guys, this is some of the sauce that I made from before. So now we're gonna add some butter, and then gonna add some coconut milk again. Coconut oil. So this we're gonna paste this on the chicken again in the oven. So just stay tuned for that one, guys. All right. I'm gonna add some lemon. Guys, also add some lemon to it again. As you can see, I'm adding the lemon. Like that. We got some barbecue sauce. Guys, we add some barbecue sauce, as you can see. So now we're gonna mix that around, mix it in together, and then we're gonna paste that on the chicken. Mix it in together with the butter, lemon, to that. Alright, guys. Now we're gonna shrimp it with a bit of salt, not too much. We don't want it salty. So that. Alright, guys, in the chicken, we're gonna broast it a bit. So that. Yes, guys, we're gonna paste the sauce to over nice and good. Yes, guys, make sure it nice. That people, I'll put it back in. Yes, guys, so just stay tuned. Banging. Yeah, people, we're gonna ball up the jalapeno rice. Like that. Now we're gonna use some concentrate tomato again that I used for the sauce before. Yes, guys, and still we're gonna put some of the sauce that I blend before, so just stay tuned, guys. That, so everything. Jellof rice. I'll add some coconut oil. That. Mix coconut oil. Like that, people. I'm adding the seasoning we have before. See it? Mix. Yes, guys, I'm gonna turn it around nicely, mix it in together. You see me? Then we're gonna add the rice. So just stay tuned that time. Gonna add the rice. We're gonna add a little bit more water to that. We're gonna boil. Always keep my hot water on the side. See me, guys? Cover the pot. We're gonna simmer down. Look at that, my beautiful people. Ooh. People, see that, my beautiful people? That's one bacon, people. Look at that. Hey. Yes, people, that is it, people. Look at that. It finally comes to the end. Chicken finished baking. You see me? But I'll do the whole full video. But guys, hope you guys enjoy this video. You see me, guys? Look at that. Beautiful. So it tastes good. Yes, guys, the jollof rice is coming in good, guys. Look at that, guys. Yeah, can't wait to eat. You see me? Yeah, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. If you don't know, by Pablo Cooking TV. Yeah, man. That is it, guys. Yeah, man. Ho ho, jollof rice. Yeah. Wait, look at that, people. Now, people, time for eat now. So, can't take out a plate. Look at that. Beautiful. Well done. You see me? Hey. Yes, people, gonna add me jollof rice. So, guys, yeah, man. All for it, guys.
Préparer une chambre pour les parents de Donna qui a été réunis dans 4 jours. Je veux au moins vérifier le lit pour mes parents, pour m'assurer que tout soit bien confortable.
Alright, my beautiful people, that is it, guys. Yeah, time for the plate, time to eat, time to enjoy that beautiful baked chicken and that jollof rice. You see me, guys? Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys so much for your appreciation. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You don't know. If you want to leave a comment, no. Peace. You're out. Pablo Cooking TV. Let's.